Hi guys, nagbabalik na naman po ulit tayo. So, alam ko nasawa na kayo sa mukha kong to. De joke lang. So, ang pag-uusapan natin for today, for this video is accounting events and transactions. So, accounting event is an economic occurrence that causes changes in an enterprise, assets, liabilities, and or equity. Could be internal and external events. So, accounting events, ito yung mga economic transaction that could affect or could change an enterprise assets, liabilities, and equity. So, ito yung mga economic events na nire-recognize natin sa statement, sa financial statements. Ito yung mga event na nire-record natin, okay? Yung mga economic events, okay? Transactions is a particular kind of event that involves the transfer of something of value between two entities. So when we say transaction, this is a particular kind of event. Let's say investment, that is a transaction. Let's say purchasing of inventories, that is a transaction. Let's say na-receive mo yung cash from the receivable, that is a transaction. So transaction is a particular kind of event that involves the transfer of something of value between the two entities. Okay. There are types and effects of transaction. All transactions can be classified into one or four types, namely source of assets, an asset account increases and corresponding claims, liabilities, or owner's equity account increases as well. Examples are purchase of supplies on account, investment, borrowing of funds. So when we say source of asset, ano yung pinagmulan ng asset? Okay? So purchase of supplies on account, yung pinagmulan ng supplies, inutang mo. So on account. Investment, yung pinagmulan ng cash mo, pinang-invest mo. Borrowing of funds, yung pinanggalingan ng pera na binaro mo, pinang-utang mo yan. So source of assets, an asset increases and corresponding claims, liabilities, and owner equity increases as well. Exchange of assets. So, palitan to. One asset account increases and another asset account decreases. Example is acquired equipment for cash. When we say exchange of asset, palitan lang. So, nag-increase yung asset, nag-decrease yung asset mo. Okay? Bumili ka ng equipment, nag-increase yung, meron kang equipment, nabawasan yung cash mo. So, exchange of assets. Use of assets. An asset account decreases and a corresponding claims, liabilities, or equity account decreases. Examples are settlement of accounts payable, payment of salaries expenses. So when we say use of asset, ginamit mo yung asset para ipambayad mo or ipambayad mo or ipambigay mo dun sa utang mo. Okay? That's why the common entry nito is debit ka ng accounts payable and credit ka ng cash. Okay? Settlement of accounts payable. O di kaya naman nagbayad ka ng salaries mo. So salaries, okay? So, debit ka ng salaries expense, nag-credit ka ng cash, okay? So, payment of salaries expense. Letter D, exchange of claims. One claims liabilities or equity account increases and another claims liabilities or owner's account decreases. Examples are receive utility bill but did not pay. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin naman ito, yung utang na hindi mo pa binabayaran, exchange of claims. So, debit tayo ng expenses. Of course, expenses, di ba? Related yan sa equity. Binabawas natin yan sa equity. Okay? So, did not pay. So, nag-increase yung liability mo doon. So, one claims increases liabilities or equity and another claims decreases. Okay? So, the four types of transactions above may be further expanded into 9 types of effects as follows. Remember itong mga ganito itong mga to, nami-met pa rin niya yung equality. Okay? Increase in asset, increase in liabilities. Just imagine the accounting equation. Increase in asset is equals to increase in liabilities. Under siya ng source of asset, na-met pa rin yung accounting equation equality. Okay? Increase in asset, increase in owner's equity, na-met pa rin, di ba, yung equality? Increase in one asset, decrease in another asset. Okay? Equal pa din. Decrease in asset, decrease in liabilities, equal pa din. Decrease in asset, decrease in owner's equity, equal. Increase in liabilities, decrease in owner's equity, equal pa din. Kasi zero effect pa din yung effect niya dun sa sa accounting equation. Increase in owner's equity, decrease in liability, equal pa din. Increase in one liability, decrease in another liability. Para nagpalitan lang ng utang to, so equal pa din. Increase in one owner's equity, decrease in another's owner's equity. Nagpalitan lang ng owner's equity, balance pa din. So, ganun lang po siya. So, actually, I'm not urging you to memorize this classification ng transaction. Kasi wag niyo na siyang i-memorize, okay? As long as ma-master niyo yung accounting equation, yung accounts, yung double entry system, as long as marunong kayo mag-analyze ng transaction on your own, isarili niyo na yun. Pero ito, hindi niyo na yan kailangang i-memorize, okay? So, ayan lang yung mga commonly transaction. Okay, increase in asset, increase in asset. So, kailangan nyo lang decrease in asset pala. So, kailangan nyo lang i-memorize yung accounting equation. So, ilagay sa utak nyo kapag mag-analyze kayo ng transaction. So, yun lang. Okay, sige, hindi na natin in the next video to. Pag-usapan na natin yung accounting for business transaction. Okay? Accounting for business transaction. Business transactions are occurrence of an event or a condition that affects the financial position and can be reliably recorded. So, business transactions, these are the transactions or economic transactions that can be recorded, can be recognized in the statement, in the financial statements. Okay? Financial transaction worksheet. Form used to analyze increases and decreases in the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity of a business entity. So, financial transaction worksheet, ito yung ginagamit nating form para mag-analyze ng bawat effect ng transaction sa asset, liabilities, and owner's equity. Okay, so for our next video, magbibigay naman tayo ng mga examples, mga problems para mas lalo nyo maintindihan yung lesson natin. So, bye-bye!